Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the sunset lamp here with 16 colors. Oh, so beautiful. It's a sunset projection floor lamp with remote control. It comes with a voice activated ball. Additionally, wow, that's a party light too. For romantic mood lighting, and it's a lamp for party. For the bedroom, as decoration as you like. And it comes from or by Craft. Here is an upgraded version of it because we have a tripod. This tripod is really flexible. And we have upgraded 16 color sunset light projector. This sunset lamp is the latest design that can meet all our lighting requirements. Rainbow lamps has 16 RGB colors. RGB stands for red, green and blue. Each mode has 4 lighting modes as well. It comes with a voice-activated ball light. This is an additional ball light. That means in the set here, you have 2 lights. Yeah, oh, wow. The sunset projection lamp comes with this amazing disco light, as you can see. When we place it on an AC adapter, which is not included, but you will have one, really. AC adapter like from your smartphone, or it is a laptop and USB socket, or where you have a USB, you can use that device here, or you will buy an AC adapter for it as well. Of course, all this is possible for both. For the sunset light and for the disco light, you will need a USB source. When you place it within the short number, the light illuminations will illuminate the entire room. Achieve 7 lightning colors: red, green, blue, red, green, red, blue, green, blue, or the 3 colors together. And it is voice activated. So if you tell something, it will change the color and the rhythm. And the remote control is this device. The remote control is not for the disco light, of course. It is only for the rainbow light, okay? Equipped with the remote control, we can change the light effect and adjust the brightness by the remote control. And we can also easily turn the sunset lamp on and off via the switch on the cable, or we can use the remote as we like. This is intelligent remote control for a smart lifestyle. It is more fun to take pictures and videos with that because it will give you a glow in different shinings. Because it's a realistic rainbow light, as you can see. This rainbow projection lamp are the latest trend to infiltrate our social media feeds. We create our perfect TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter contribute with a touch of warmth, happiness, and dreamy nostalgia. Simply prepare our tripod and improve our selfie game. And it looks really cool. The sunset lamp can adjust the upper and lower lighting angle according to the needs of us. We connect the power cord of the USB terminal to the low voltage equipment of the USB output port, such as a power bank is possible too, a computer, a laptop, of course a wall socket with USB, an AC adapter, or tablet, whatever. The switch position is on the USB connection, and it can be controlled by pressing the switch after connection. This is a manual connection. That means if you switch that switch off, your remote cannot handle it anymore. So you have to switch it on the switch as well, but only once. After this, you can use the remote control, or you can use the switch, of course. When the LED light is on, you should not look inside it by your eye. This is not so good because if you go up with the brightness level, it is not good for your eyes if you directly look into it. This product is limited to indoor use. It cannot be placed in the humid environment. So it's not waterproof. You have to take it in your living room, inside, okay? The charging voltage is a DC 5 volt. The plug is in USB. The color is an RGB 16 color plus 4 control modes. It's a sunset lamp. The output power is 4 watt up to 12. We have ambient light, photography, light. Here you can use it in hotels, in coffee shops, in restaurants, in bedrooms, in living rooms, etc. And on the remote, we have the brightness plus and minus button to go up with the brightness or go down. Shut off, and we make it on by the green button. Then we have an RGB W button. That means red, green, blue, and white. We can choose. And we have a flash fast program, a flicker slowly, a fast gradient, a slow gradient, and the color selection knobs. That means easily. We have to enter 2 AAA batteries inside the remote, which is not included, but after this, it's ready to use easily. This is the really awesome sunset lamp by Sunnercraft with 16 colors. Oh yeah. Thanks. And, of course, the disco ball. Baby disco is back in the city. Yeah. Boo! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.